Hi everybody, how you doing? In this video, I'll show you a quick example of a Fizzbuzz problem code in C programming language. This is in my code. I found it on a Reddit post, and I will share the link in the description box, hopefully. Okay, basically the problem of this bus is counting from 1 up to 100 and replacing the multiples of 3 and 5 by the words this and bus. And when it is the number is multiple of both 3 and 5, it should be replaced by the word this bus. Okay, so this is how we will start. 1, 2, this because it's a multiple of 3, 4, then bus because it is multiple of 5, uh, fifth because 6 is multiple of 3 and so on and so forth. Okay, for the number 15 and others that are multiple of both, we will use the this bus word. Okay, so basically the code that they shared is really simple and comprehensive. We have an array of um, strings, and this is there we have the four cases uh, for this problem. We have the first bus, and the first bus works when we need to express that the number is a current multiple of any of those numbers, 3 or 5, okay? And when it's a normal number, we will use this uh, specifier because we will use the printf function to print just the number, okay? Not the string. So remember that printf, when giving this format specifier here, we will print the value of I, which is the integer that we will use to count, okay? It will be replaced by this because we have the set and we are accessing via this indexing the different strings that we need to print, okay? Remember that when the when the result is one of those strings that will be placed here, it will not take into account the the number that the the current value that I has, okay, but we will replace with the appropriate string for you to know. Okay, basically what we will do is to use a for loop from 1 up to 100 increasingly. We will use integer a and b for flagging or signaling when we have a multiple of 3 or 5. So this expression here, uh, I modulus 3, will give us 0 when it is multiple of 3. And we will invert the logical value, which is 0 to 1. Okay, so basically A and B will be 1 when I is multiple of 3 or 5 respectively. Uh, and also the multiple when I is multiple of both. Okay, so remember that this multiplication here in this expression takes precedence. Okay, so let's suppose that it is a multiple of any of those. Okay, so A is 0, B is 0, so we have here 0 0 and this multiplication. Okay, so we will have B 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0 plus 0 0, so we will have the first here. Okay, the position 0 it will so it will print the number, the particular number that we have. uh, when we have that is multiple of 3, it will be 1. Okay, so here is 1, this one is 0. So remember, multiplication takes precedence. So first 2 multiplied by b, which is 0, we will have 0, and a is 1, so we will have this index, and the result will be printing this word. Okay, so on and so forth. When we have that b is 1, is because I is multiple of 5. So we will have a equal to 0. And here first remember 2 multiplied by b, which is 1, will be 2. So we will print the position 2, which is bus. Okay, bus for the case of multiple of 5. And when it is a multiple of both 3 and 5, we will have a and b are 1, and this will multiply 2 multiplied by 1, it's equal to 2, plus 1 is 3. So the index 3 will be printing the first bus. Okay, so let's just run this. Uh, what am I missing? Of course, just illegal text. Okay, now let's run it and let's see if it's working as expected. We have 1, 2, 3 is replaced by fizz, 5 is replaced by bus because it's multiple of 5, 6 is multiple of 3 is replaced by fizz, and 15 is replaced by fizz bus because it's multiple of both, and so on and so forth. As you can see, it's working out perfectly. So brilliant code by these guys. I'll share the link. Thanks for your attention.